Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about leverage on Bitunex 125X. They allow you to go that high. I am running $1,100 right now. Here you can see 123X. Is it worth it? No. This is the stupidest way to trade. Okay, I'm up 15%. I don't even know if that's profitable yet. All right, so let's do this. Let's see. You need to be at a 20 to 30% range to be profitable. Now let's talk about this. Let's go to the back end. Let's take a screenshot of this. So this is the actual movement right now. This floats in real time with your trade. So you want to close in the 20 to 30% range to cover fees and slippage. At 123X, watch, if I try to put any more money in this trade, watch, I'm going to get an error. Let's say $100, open long. Look, current position has exceeded maximum open limit. This is designed so that you cannot beat the house too much. I do not recommend 123X. That's what I'm at now. Let me close this. I instead recommend, if you're experienced, yeah, 100X is fine. I just closed my trade right here at the very peak. It's 6:38 a.m. on a Saturday morning. We may now start slipping down. Hold on. Let's catch that pump. You'll notice how calm I am. Here's the pump. This is called a drill down. On the 6 hour, we look here. We had chop overnight. The 1 hour is starting to bring up the rear. One more big green candle and the green army will take over the 1 hour. Let's check the status of this pump. Is it getting bigger or smaller? 5 minute, big, big. Oh, the pump is dying down. Did you see it? Let's go from the 5 minute. This is actually analyzing the pump. This is what I do at 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday morning. Pump's getting smaller. So that means we exit it at the perfect moment. So they will only allow you, let's say you try to do, I use cross. All right, we're probably going to go over the whole number of 95,000. But it's that 6:30 a.m. time. We just had a mega pump. First law of leverage trading. It only goes up and down. Oh, you wouldn't believe how many times that would save you. That simple, childish little thing. It only goes up and down. Now, I had told you that the Green Army, okay, was overtaking. You can look at all your time frames here on Bitunex, okay, and it shows you all your trades and everything, which is great. Here's the 3 minute and the 1 minute. I set my times here. I use edit. The only times you want to have, don't overcomplicate this. 6 hour and 1 hour. That's the ocean. You drill down on the 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. Boom. Just had a nice run up. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback now. So we're expecting some red army to pull back here. We're still in the middle zone of 94,000. Let's continue talking about leverage. I bet you didn't even know I had this channel. Somebody stole my name, Vag Hacker. Yeah, it's about picking up the hottest girl in the club, and then we went into the age of the virus, and we had to go AI. Those videos are hilarious, and I'll tell you, Ginny versus Dina, my two girlfriends duking it out, the detachable penis dance. All right, so after you do that, you hit save. I link Bitunex below the video. Now, you don't need a VPN, you don't need anything. An email address, sign up, it's simple. All this stuff on the top, I don't even look at that. Okay, I don't know welcome bonuses, or I never clicked this mystery box. I've gotten free money here a couple of times, but let me open the mystery box. Go to verify. I don't want to verify. You don't have to verify nothing. You just come here and take their money. All right, so you can buy crypto, markets, I never go there. Futures is where I trade. Spot is where you sell your garbage for other garbage. I don't copy trade, I don't campaign, I don't welcome, and I don't win. Not from this kind of giveaway crap. What is this? Rules. Task 1. It's over. Deposit $5. Don't you see? It's over. All right, let's get back to leverage. Where are we now? You see? It only goes up and down. Bigger the candle, bigger the move. Smaller the candle, smaller the move. If you're learning from me, let me know. Say something in the comments. 8 years of soul-crushing wins. I know it's going to break. That's why I'm not entering another long. Because of the time. We just finished a nice pump. See, I know the times, we call it critical times. I teach this in my Discord. My people are here. I love these people. So this is going to be a lesson about leverage. You see where I closed my long? I entered it here and I closed it there at 125x, 123. That's a waste of time, and they limit how much you can put in the trade. So it becomes more risky and less advantageous for you. Because the more money you put in a trade, let's be real, the more money you're going to make, okay? So, if we go down to, this is my cruising zone. Why? On this specific exchange, Bid2Next, do I choose 99? I choose 99 because they'll let me put, because they have limits. They'll let me put, and I don't have that much in the account now, $7,777 in a basically 100x trade. That's my average size. That's a good hit. Okay, now you make $3,000-$4,000 a trade like that if you hit it right. You see, I told you, it only goes up and down. You did not see me re-enter. No. I actually prefer to short. Let's take a look if I could short here. All right. We have indecisiveness. There are only three kinds of candles. Did you know this? There are big candles, there are little candles, and there are confused candles, like this one. It's called indecisive. What's happening on the 1 hour? Okay, it's 6:49 a.m. In 10 minutes, we get another candle, probably another green. So right now here, I truly don't have direction. So I would be guessing. What I teach in my consultation and as part of my community, which is all linked in the description box below. I hate to sound like an infomercial, selling myself, but it's something that can change your life. Everybody sells courses. In 1 hour, I can share with you my screen and teach you how to play this simple game of war. Now, we're watching the price drop, aren't we not? Yeah, we are. Let's go down and see where that's happening. We're blind on the 1 hour. We don't see it yet. Let's drill down. Look. Oh, we can drill into the dump and see why the price is going down. This can also help us see the future. As the candles start to come up here, then they will start to come up here, and then they will start to come up here, and then continue here, and then before you know it, we will have singularity, clear direction. Too long. People who are in my group know what I mean. Others may not. Let's grab this over here. I just sent them some entertainment. Detachable penis. All right, so here is my... Hold on. These are all my people. I'm working on this video for them now. They're going to love this. Wow, looking at the chart now, you can see entering along here was a mistake. And we're on the 1 minute, so it's amplified. But you can see where I exited. See, what most of you don't get is entry and exit. The other thing is the mental part. So I just told Aiden here, okay? Aiden, it's like he's trading his mental toughness, blah, blah, blah. He has a consult with me soon. So I tell people this.
Oracle said, Don JT, slow down if you have a consult booked. You have no idea. The things I teaching consult are game changing. Don't trade now, please. You are so close to your appointment with me. I can make you a razor. Yeah. Save your ammo, learn for now.
So this is the room for the people who I have not trained yet. Okay? And after you're trained by me, you go into a special room. We'll get back to leverage in a moment. You may think lower leverage is safer. You're wrong. I've been doing this for 8 years. I've done every possible scenario. So I teach you, I share my screen with you. We book an appointment. He's waiting for his appointment. We book our appointment. Okay. I share my screen. I teach you how to enter. I like a game of war. No technical analysis. No staring at charts for hours. I say, look, first, this is how I read the chart. You're going to use one of these exchanges, the ones I link below. Okay. And then I'm going to show you, once you understand, the basics of how this is just a game. Like football is a game of war, two sides competing against each other. Here is a game of war, Red Army versus the Green Army, the longs versus the shorts. I teach you what side to pick. We have no partiality. We don't care whether it goes up or down. We care that it moves and that we can be right in front of those waves that I told you about that we can detect. This is the ocean. These are the undercurrents. Then we drop down and we analyze the wave. And look, that pump, that dump that you seen is slowing. Let me screenshot this price. How do I know it's slowing? Bigger the candle, stronger the move. Look at the price. Smaller the candle, weaker the move. Is that bigger or smaller? Can you learn this? Yes. So, after our session, it gets even better. Now you're going to know how. Up until now, you've been watching videos at home. You think you know it, but you try to trade and you get wrecked. And you're like, I don't understand. I can't do this high X, 100X. So afterwards, you're not forgotten. There's no fees. There's no monthly subscriptions. You're in my group. You're with me. I'm trading all day anyway. So you get to trade over my shoulder. Then you get into the war room. I never updated this page. I don't advertise. I don't care. There's thousands of people in there. I've trained myself. And that becomes your ongoing help room. You're never alone. Leverage trading alone is hard. Recap videos of what I taught you in the consult. It's not a video course, but I have a few 5-minute videos that recap some major things so you don't have to be nervous while I'm teaching you. In case you forgot, you'd be like, what did he say about that war formation where I attack? There's a small video on that, private. And then, because you're part of my community, I love people that are like-minded people. I do pop-up additional Zoom calls, which is talk about trading, techniques, strategies, and I continually help you. It's the only place in the world you'll get anything like this, and it's going to end. You know, it used to be 0.05. Why is it going to end? Because I'm the only one who can teach it. This is my legacy I've created. I've reduced it with the price of Bitcoin down to 0.03. It costs you $2,840 in Bitcoin. For the education of a lifetime, some people make that $2,800 in one trade. And it's ongoing. You're never alone. If you do message us this weekend, I know my beautiful assistant, Miley Coco, will offer you $500 off. But that's for this weekend. Let's get back to where we were. Did I or did I not execute perfectly? Did I or did I not warn you not to re-enter yet? Now, cross-leverage versus isolated. We use isolated when we want to use low leverage. When do we use low leverage? On a fast-moving altcoin. This is advanced. You don't 5x Bitcoin on isolated. It's like watching paint dry. Now, if you get an altcoin that's moving fast, like up 20-30%, I suggest you master Bitcoin like I did. I became a specialist, an assassin. They need Bitcoin hit, they call me. So, when I look here on isolated, that means it isolates the trade, like it's an infectious disease. I told you it only goes up and down. Many people at this moment would be like, I gotta get in, I'm gonna miss out, and then they long right at the top, boom. No, there's a protocol and a strategy. That's the emo trader. That's emotional. So we use isolated and low leverage when an altcoin is moving quickly. This site has many altcoins. If I go here, I could see who the top mover is. Right now, it's Hive and Banana Token. Stuff nobody's ever heard of. They're up 10%. If I was to short those, it would be on isolated. Let's say I just wanted to risk $1,000. That's all I could lose. Cross is for the tactical operator. Cross is for the weaponized trader. Cross uses your entire wallet. And we start with some parameters. We start with, you only send to the exchange what you're willing to lose. Don't send dust a couple $100. You're not going to have any money to trade with, to be real. For me, if I can't send $10,000 minimum, I'm not playing. Sometimes I'll make the little guy video. Now let's check on the direction. Oh, look what happened. We're watching the 1 minute, we see, look, greens are coming. So we drilled down it with the price was dumping down. People just got smoked. Liquidation. A new green on the 6 hour. Is that possible? Yes. We have green and a green on the 1 hour. Now, it needs to grow a wick, but it's a baby. It just came out. You really want it to have a nice long wick. Back to where we were. On cross uses your whole wallet to protect your trade. So this whole wallet is 5,600. We're going to go down to 99x here. Let's say I wanted to enter there. Oh God, do I? I hate going long. Oh, all right. Now, you'll notice that 99x, they'll let me I can put in my whole wallet if I want, but you can't do that. Okay? I'm not loving this candle. Hold on. I don't know. I'm going to have to leave this. It's not going to close right away. But I'll show you. So, the perfect leverage is... see, I don't want a long there. It's not time. The perfect leverage is 99x. Now, something's changed in Bitcoin since we got around $100,000. $1,000 move in a day used to be a lot. Okay? Now, what I find is that we have $2,000 moves in an hour. 100x might be too volatile for you. Okay, so let's throw in a small trade here. Let's do 2,100, right? Market, I don't care about pennies. I don't do limit orders. That's bullcrap. This has a tail. It's going to go back down. It's a sign of weakness. What's this guy saying?
Crypto Taipan replied to Dark Vader 777, you are looking for an absolute, not gonna find one. You can follow Oracle to the letter, and
Yes.
you can still be liquidated.
Yes.
It happens. I would offer, that is, you are so focused on being liquidated that maybe this is not the right time for you.
Oof, tough
Personally,
love.
to be trading. Oracle does not teach a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, you can make dollar fast here, but it takes patience and a willingness to learn and an ability to realize that you are going to make mistakes, and for God's sakes man, get a consult. Absent that, it's like you are doing open heart surgery after watching a couple of YouTube vids.
This is great. Look at this, what's going on. I don't know who they're talking to, but look, Co-Crypto only appears when it's time to short, like Batman, right? And we love to short. That's where all the money is. Okay, look, he's like, my silent kills are the most deadly ones. This other guy hadn't had a consult yet. Somebody up here must have been crying. This is the room for people who haven't had a consult yet. Look, and they're saying, see, Co-Crypto's an admin, been with me a long time.
Co-Crypto said this is also why whatever you send to the exchange is the money you're willing to lose. You must be okay with your line in the sand.
Yeah, so this is a great conversation. You know,
Morgan like said, but with how O teaches, using his methods, you have the best chance to win. As in you minimize bad entry times because of how dead on his protocols are.
Wow. Wow. So we come here and then there's the consultation war room in here. Wow, wait a minute. Look at this. Thank God I didn't enter that long. I told you, because we usually dump 6:30 to 7 after that pump. We know certain times of day. Check that out. I did not enter the trade. I closed my long up here. This becomes intuitive over time. Yeah, if you would have longed there or emo longed here, you'd be wrecked. Does it mean it's a good idea to long down here? Not necessarily. So let's get back to leverage. In this crazy volatility, my suggestion, okay, if you go 50x, it's going to feel too slow. You want to be in and out of these trades fast, okay? So, right here, 78x is the sweet spot. 78x gives you the speed and velocity of money you need to get in and out of these trades quickly with a profit. You must be in the range of 20 to 30% before you close to make sure that you're going to have more money in your wallet before. You're going to have more money in your wallet after the trade than you did before the trade. Look at the dump. Look at the dump. We absolutely perfectly executed this. Now, why did I not short? Let's go here. Where is the BitMEX chart? Okay, why did I not short? Well, because we had such strong green on the 1 hour. But this is interesting to watch. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. This 1 hour candle is smaller than this one. Could the longs be weakening? Could it be time to end going long? We've dropped about $100. Look at that. We had the perfect exit at whatever could be a top right there. Now, the less leverage you use, the more of your own money you're putting in the trade. Yes, true. This is the Margex exchange, which I also greatly enjoy. So to find out, okay, let me show you this. So let's say we're going to be in USDT. Now, there's no USDT in this exchange right now, but let's say I wanted to put $10,000, right? This is at 100x. This is not actually, how can I explain this? Let's do it in Bitcoin. Hold on. If I try to explain it to you here, I'm going to confuse you. Let's just keep it this way. Oof, look at that. It only goes up and down, right? If you could time that perfectly, oh my God, you can make a fortune. You just seen me time it perfectly, right? Look, long, boom, close, right before the dump. That's a skill set that I teach people. But anyway, all of this is linked below. Click show more. Right under the video title, click the more button. Right at the top comment, click show more. See it all. I even have a Rumble page, which I don't really share. And it's all, I have like 14 channels. All the videos from all my channels in one place. And they actually send you notifications. So, my recommendation is become an expert at Bitcoin first. Trade on cross leverage. Decide what you want to put in the exchange. Wallet management, a little bit less than half of your wallet should go in the trade. Like here, I'd put like $2,000 out of this $5,600 in a trade. But right now I'm uncertain of direction, whether to go long or short. This is not a guessing game, a pissing contest. I need confirmation. So it's 7 a.m. on a Saturday morning. Action heats up at 10 a.m. I have a tiny green with a tail on the 6 hour. That does not give me direction yet. And I was growing the 4 hour, the 4-bar army formation on the 1 hour. But this last candle was a little bit of a disappointment. So what do I do at this point when I'm not certain of the direction? I don't trade. Yes, I come back here and I will watch the 1 hour. See if the next 1 hour is going to be a big green and drive the 6 hour, and then we have green singularity, and then I jump down to the 3 minute and I long a dump like this one. Or will the next 1 hour keeps getting smaller. It's 7:10 a.m. Look what's happened. It's the 1 hour chart. Green armies losing momentum. Time to long may be ending in the moment. We only trade in the moment. Sorry this was 22 minutes, but I hope you found it helpful. As I embark on year 8 here on YouTube and in crypto, it's really been amazing. I've never used technical analysis or any of that. They've tried to stop me, tried to take my channels down. I've had to start over again many times. Nobody wants you to be rich. But one day, something may happen to change your life. Can people do it? Can they do it with altcoins? Yeah. Look at him on IOST.
Daddy Warbucks said IOST short 78%. TPW1231 said 21% long sets. Liptalot 247 said plus 18% BTC short 1. Johnny Boy said 132% BTC short. Thanks. Johnny Boy said reloaded 74% BTC short.
Everybody loves shorting in my
Pony
group.
Loco said amazing BTC 80% short. Thanks.
Amazing.
LGND said 49% BTC short, 50x. Johnny Boy said 142% BTC short. Thanks.
I want to maintain his privacy, but this was a really nice message somebody said to me. Okay? Combined with what they learned from me, they made over $322,000 for the year. Happy New Year. That's epic. Part of my community is like no other. The one, the only, the legendary, the Oracle. So they wake up at 10 a.m. I'll be monitoring the 1 hour. If we get a bigger green 1 hour, we're going to pump again. If we get to the 94,890, maybe 94,900 range, we should be able to go over 95. So at this moment, I'm going to wait. There's some great exchanges linked below this video. And I just wanted to show you about leverage. So right now, focus on Bitcoin, 78x. Unless you're comfortable with 100x, I still use it. Okay, I like speed. There's nothing like the velocity of money. Have a great day, everyone.